Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can set your Shopify store live so anyone can visit it. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. So here you're going to find the home section, orders, products. Here you're going to find customers, content, analytics, marketing section, and also discounts. Here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. And here you're going to find your applications. And lastly, in the bottom, you're going to find settings. So right now, in order to give access to everyone to see or access your online store, first of all, go ahead and click on online store right here. And then under it, you're going to find themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and lastly, preferences. Go ahead and click on preferences. And then once you're here in this page, first of all, you can set a title for your homepage right here, right next to title and meta description. And then you can scroll down right here until you find password protection. So once you're here, once you find password protection, right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to be able to see your password. And then here, you're going to find restrict access to visitors with the password. So if you want to make your online store public, make sure you uncheck this option. In order to be able to uncheck this option, you need to have a premium Shopify plan. As you can see, guys, right here, it says to let anyone access your online store, pick a plan. So if you want to get a plan, just click here on pick a plan, click on leave page, and then you're going to be right here. You can pick the plan that you want and then go back to the page you were in. And then you're going to be able to uncheck this option and make your store public. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.